Hello everyone. This is next in the series of image to diagnosis under general sonography. This is Mrs. N, 41 years, had abdominal hysterectomy 1 year back, and she complains of incontinence of urine for past 6 months. And this is above two are the coronal scans of the right and left kidney, and below you see the sagittal and transverse scan of the pelvis in grayscale and color Doppler to see the ureteric jet. So you see here fluid in the vagina and repeat scan of the pelvis after 30 minutes. This is the image. So what are the possibilities? If you would like to see the workup of this case particularly is shown to highlight the importance of repeat scan, extension of study, role of truss and color Doppler. Would like to see the workup of this case scenario, please log on to sonoshare.in. Thank you.